Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For a quick reminder, I am going to conduct a giveaway when I will complete 1000 of my subscribers. So please stay tuned with the channel and please watch the upcoming videos. Now let's start the unboxing of the new product. So today we are unboxing this JBL speaker. So it is JBL Flip 3 Stealth Edition written over here, and this is the Bluetooth speaker. So as you can see, the speaker's picture is on the box, and here are some watermarks. I think it is waterproof. Let's check the ratings. So yes, it is waterproof. It is IPX7 waterproof rated. It is a Bluetooth speaker as I told, and it has 10 hours of play time. Okay, so these are some specs on the box. So now let's check the price of this. So the price mentioned over here is 7,999, which is 8,000, but I got it in sale for 3,500. Now let's take the overview at the box. So this is the white color box where JBL branding is there and the photo of speaker. So here is written JBL, and here it is written Flip 3. He has also written that all purpose all weather companion. So it is a really durable speaker, and these are some specs which I read before, and it is also a portable Bluetooth speaker. Now we'll keep this speaker here and start with the unboxing. So now let's start the unboxing. Use the holding thing. So here comes the box of the speaker. It is a fully black color which looks premium, and here it is written Flip 3 Stealth Edition. So it is also, this speaker is also called as JBL Flip 3 SE. Now we will take out this top part and see what is the inside. So on this top part there is a soft cushioning for the speaker. Let's open this up and see what are the contents in this small packet. So I think there must be a guide or a manual. Yeah, right, that there is a manual over here. I will not open this up and will keep this to the side. It is the basic manual, and let's check what is there more. There is nothing. Now let's take a look at this JBL Flip 3 speaker. It is, I bought this in black color. It's pretty small. I think its weight will be around 300 to 500 grams. It will be in between that. So here is the JBL branded orange cable for charging of the speaker, and there's nothing much more. Now we will take a look at the speaker. So here is the JBL branding over here. Here are two burst radiators with the badging of JBL. They are located on the both sides of the speaker. Now let's take the look at the top. So here are some buttons. This is Bluetooth pairing button, volume down, volume up button. These are very tactile buttons. Play button. Now let's see what are the ports. So here are some ports. Now let's open this lid and see. So here is a 3.5mm headphone jack and a micro USB port for charging. Now let's take a look at the power on button. So here is the power on button and some charging indicators which show the charging of the speaker. This material is of fabric. It is really a durable fabric, and it is also a splash proof speaker. Now let's turn on the speaker. So when we turn on this, the white light starts, and we have to, for pairing, we have to click the Bluetooth button. Then there's a sound and the blue light starts blinking. Now let's take the phone and open settings. In settings there will be a Bluetooth option, so click on Bluetooth and turn it on. So wait for the device to get appear on the screen. So here it comes, JBL Flip 3 AC written over here. Click on it. Then there will be a sound and it will be show that it has been connected. Now let's play some music on it. So the sound from this speaker is really awesome, up to the mark. So the bass of this speaker is awesome. If you want to hear a music with the bass, this speaker is right to you. You are getting for what you are paying. So this is a good speaker in the budget of 3500. Now let's check out the splash test for this speaker, as they claim that it is a splash proof speaker. Now let's take the look. Now let's check out some cinematic slow motion shots of this speaker. From the above shots, you can say that the bass and the treble of this speaker is really awesome. If you want to buy this speaker, I will mention link down in the description box below. You can check it out and click on it for the latest price. Also, please follow me on my Instagram ID of Why Not Unbox It, and also follow me on Twitter. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, peace.